आप देख रहे हैं सुदर्शन न्यूज।
मेघालय के लिए एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण है क्योंकि 133वें इंडियन ऑयल डुरंड कप शिलोंग पहुंच गया है, जिससे यह पहली बार है कि यह प्रतिष्ठित फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट शहर में आयोजित किया जाएगा। बता दें कि यू सोसो थाम ऑडिटोरियम में एक भव्य समारोह आयोजित किया गया, जहां 3 प्रतिष्ठित ट्रॉफियों को प्रदर्शित किया गया। मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड के संगमा ने डुरंड कप आयोजन समिति की सराहना की और इस आयोजन के शिलोंग में आने से शहर की भारतीय फुटबॉल में प्रमुखता कैसे बढ़ेगी, इस पर जोर दिया गया। इस कार्यक्रम में एयर मार्शल एसपी धरकर और लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल संजय मलिक सहित कई प्रमुख सैन्य और नागरिक अधिकारी शामिल हुए। राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी द्वारा एक राष्ट्रव्यापी दौरे पर ट्रॉफियां ध्वजांकित की गई, अब शिलोंग और आसपास के जिलों में प्रदर्शित की जाएगी। मेजर जनरल राजेश ए मोगहे वीएसएम ने सभी का आभार व्यक्त किया और मैच कार्यक्रम की घोषणा की। मुख्यमंत्री संगमा ने जनता से मैचों में शामिल होने का आग्रह किया और स्थानीय टीम शिलोंग लाजोंग एफसी के प्रति अपना समर्थन व्यक्त किया। टूर्नामेंट का उद्घाटन मैच 2 अगस्त को जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम में शिलोंग लाजोंग एफसी और नेपाल की त्रिभुवन आर्मी एफसी के बीच खेला जाएगा। सभी मैचों का सीधा प्रसारण सोनी स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क पर किया जाएगा और सोनी लाइव पर लाइव स्ट्रीम किया जाएगा। एशिया का सबसे पुराना और दुनिया का तीसरा सबसे पुराना फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट डुरंड कप 4 शहरों में 24 टीमों की प्रतियोगिता के साथ आयोजित होगा, जिसका समापन 31 अगस्त को कोलकाता में फाइनल के साथ होगा।
At the very outset, I would like to thank the armed forces, especially our Indian Army, the Eastern Command, for having selected Shillong as one of the locations to host the Durand Cup for this year, and I'm sure for the future also. As was being mentioned by our sports minister, that we wanted to host this even last year. But because of a large number of challenges in terms of infrastructure, we were not able to host it on time last year. But I'm very happy that we are ready this year. And after a lot of efforts that have gone in from the sports department, even from our armed forces, continuous follow-up, continuous meetings, we are very happy that Shillong and Meghalaya also is part of this particular tournament, which I'm sure our young students out here who are here today would know that this is one of the oldest football tournaments in Asia. And it is in fact the oldest football tournament in Asia and the 5th oldest national competition in the world. That's how far and long and history that the Durand Cup and the Durand Trophy and the tournament has. So we are very, very privileged and very honored and very happy that this is being hosted, and one of the host cities is here in Shillong. And let me assure our officials from the armed forces that whatever support is required, which we have been doing in the past and even for the future, that we will be there to ensure that we leave no stone unturned to make sure that this tournament is a great success.
Be hosting this sports conference to discuss and to put in ideas of how to make sure that in the 2036 Olympics, that even from our state, even from the northeastern states, we will be able to see Olympians. I do believe with the collective ideas and collective effort that we can achieve all this. I will not, like I said, his positive mindset has led us to work hard and to make sure that we are ready and that our stadium will be ready on time to host this Durand Cup. It is indeed a very, very proud moment for our state to be able to host such a prestigious tournament. I would also like to thank CNC Air Marshal SP Dhakar, who I've met before, General Sanjay Malik, the Major General Rajesh A. Moghe, the General Gangandeep, and our Additional Chief Secretary.
Thank you so much. Incidentally, the winners of the Durand Cup take home these 3 trophies, each with its unique history. All the 3 Durand trophies, the President's Cup presented by India's first President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the Durand Cup, a rolling trophy and the original prize since 1888, and the Simla Trophy, first presented by the citizens of Simla, and is still left. And that is the flagging off of the Meghalaya Trophy Roadshow by the Honourable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. But before that, I would like to thank our dignitaries. Firstly, I would like to thank Sri Conrad K. Sangma, the Honourable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, for coming and gracing this. I'd like to thank the Sports and Youth Affairs Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Sri Sakler Warjiri, for also being part of this program. And our gratitude goes also to the Additional Chief Secretary, Dr. Shakil Ahmed, IAS, Government of Meghalaya, for gracing today's occasion. And not to forget to thank the prominent military dignitaries who are part of today's event as well. May I thank special...
Dave, run over you otherwise. 1, 2, and 'Cause we are the music, we are the sound, we are the heartbeat shaking the ground. Ale, 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 ale. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
The inaugural ceremony will commence from 2 p.m. onwards and will be a treat to witness with Air Force display teams, dance and musical extravaganza. I am confident that our local populace is going to have a great time.
Bapna of the cherry tree.
और इसी के साथ इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही। आप देखते रहिए सुदर्शन न्यूज। जय हिंद।
आप देख रहे हैं सुदर्शन न्यूज।